made it to Disney for Riley's birthday. How old are you? 4. Can you say 4? 4. So we're actually waiting in line right now for Astro Blasters. It's extremely packed here. Usually I can get fast passes like right away, but everything was like an hour away. So we're gonna do this, then we're gonna ride Star Tours, and then we'll figure out another one to ride after this. We also have Ross.
Happy birthday, Ryleigh.
And with the birthday shirts.
Let's go.
Yep, birthday shirts, and then Riley's birthday girl shirt. Hopefully this line goes fast. All right, so we just got off with Star or Astro Blasters. How was Astro Blasters, Ryleigh? Fun? She's getting a snack right now. Ross is doing a phone call for work, and then we're gonna go on to Star Tours, and then hopefully I can book us another fast pass ride for somewhere if something's available. We're gonna see. It's crazy, but at least that ride, they said 60 minutes, and it really only took us maybe 30, so it's less than what they're saying, which I knew this in the past. You ready to go? Let's do it, big girl.
Dentro del tren.
Here we go on the slow train.
The slow train?
It's a fast train or slow train? Oh.
All right, so we're back at the room. So you ready to go back out to Disneyland? Yeah? Where's your words?
We go at the park, then we go on the pirate, the skeleton one, and the Dumbo one.
Yes, the skeleton one is Haunted Mansion. So basically we had quite the day. It was a busy morning. In the afternoon time, my app just completely crashed. We could not get it working. We were there like for an hour trying to get it to work. They were so kind. They gave us like a few fast passes that we could just redeem anywhere. They also walked us to Rise of the Resistance because we had fast passes for that one at the end of the day. And I told them, I go, we have Goofy's Kitchen. We couldn't select like when we wanted these fast passes. So they're like, you know what, we'll just bring you right over there. You guys can get on it earlier. And it didn't take away the ones that we bought at the end of the night. So we are actually gonna do Goofy's Kitchen, and they shut down Rise of the Resistance around 9 o'clock. So if we get there before 9 o'clock, we'll be able to ride it again. So that's our plan. And then we still have another one to redeem that they gave us, and then other ones that I got earlier. So they were able to finally get my phone working, but it took forever. And in the midst of it all, like when my app just like shut down, we couldn't even use it. We were at Thunder Mountain, gonna be using our fast pass for that one. So they just let us go on that, which was great. So then we got to ride Thunder Mountain twice, because once we got it working, we were able to ride it again. How are you? Are you enjoying your time?
Amazing.
You having fun with us, with your first Disney trip with us?
Yeah, probably cut my head off again.
So, oh, did I really? Did I cut your head off again?
Probably.
No, you can see yourself right in there. And you got Ryleigh.
Ryleigh, you ready for your birthday dinner? Are we gonna sing happy birthday?
Yeah.
We're doing Goofy's Kitchen?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got tables.
So anyway, so we went to that whole fiasco, and it ended up being like well worth it because it gave us so much fast passes, and it's packed today. Usually right when I get into the park, I can get fast passes for Star Tours and get it for Astro Blasters, and literally we just like hop immediately. But the second we got in the park, the earliest fast pass wasn't even until 11. So we got like, it was so packed. All of those were booked, so it was just really hard. But with that little app fiasco, kind of saved us because it gave us even more fast passes. And then we got on rides earlier, and I think that's what kind of saved the day, even though it was like a pretty big hiccup. But now we're gonna head to Goofy's Kitchen. Then, like Ryleigh said, we're gonna do Haunted Mansion, we're gonna do Pirates, we're gonna do Dumbo, we're gonna do Rise of the Resistance again. We have Smugglers. We have quite a bit of rides to hit, and thankfully we've got fast passes for them. And then we're gonna do the show, which is at 9:30, and I guess they don't do fireworks during the week. They do projections, like a light show, like a Halloween one. So we're gonna try to do that at 9:30 because Ryleigh took a late nap, huh? You slept from what, 4 to 5:30? You excited? You ready to go finally get your birthday treat?
And see Minnie Mouse, the Goofy, Mickey Mouse, and Donald Duck, and Dotty Duck.
Daisy Duck?
Daisy Duck.
You're so cute, baby.
And we go to go to Goofy kitchen, and then we're going to go back here, then we're going to go home.
Yeah, well, we spend the night here. We're spending the night here. We sleep here tonight. So we're gonna be at the park super late tonight. That's why I have you all bundled up. We got you another big jacket and a blanket too.
Big stroller blanket. Yes,
the big stroller blanket. All right, we're gonna head to Goofy's kitchen now.
Oh, let's go! Yeah, they came up for your birthday. You ready, Ryleigh? Woo!
Let's go ahead and give her a big birthday song. Ready, 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ryleigh. Happy birthday to you. Yeah!
Okay, careful with that. It's too hot.
Ryleigh, how old are you? 4?
Is it yummy? Yeah? I got ice cream with sprinkles and chocolate, and then Ross is gonna go get his dessert.
Let's go! Dessert time! Oh, it's Minnie! Ryleigh, go give Minnie a hug. Ryleigh, give Minnie a hug. Yay! Say hi, Minnie.
Did you say hi?
Minnie came over for your birthday. Wow.
Say hi to your sister.
Are you gonna show your button? Wow, she came over to say happy birthday, Ryleigh.
Hey guys, so I want to close out this vlog. We had an amazing time at Disney. It was so much fun. What we did, just kind of recap the day, is we left early in the morning on Ryleigh's birthday. We got to the hotel. We stayed at the Paradise Pier Hotel. It was, I don't know what was going on, but it was so packed. When I booked the hotel months ago, like, I could not get a hotel room at the Grand Californian. I couldn't get a hotel room at Disneyland Hotel. Everything was like over $1,000 a night. It was insane. They had no basic rooms left. So then I went to the Paradise Pier and I ended up getting a reasonable price there for us, because that hotel is like completely under renovation. But I'm like, we're not really going to be in the room at all, so it really doesn't matter. We just needed a place to sleep. So I got that for us. So we got to the hotel, checked in. It was great. Honestly, it was like perfect because it was so close to the park. We just walked. And we got to Disneyland and we had so much fun there. We went through the little fiasco of the app, but it all ended up working out for us just because we were able to get more fast passes for any rides. So that allowed us to ride like Haunted Mansion later that night, Space Mountain and everything. So it was like, even though it was like a little bit of a headache for like an hour, it was well worth it because they just handled the situation great. So I loved that. After that, we went to the room. We took a nap, or Ryleigh took a nap, me and Ross worked, and when she woke up, we got ready for dinner. I went and did Goofy's kitchen. She loved it. She was so excited about Minnie Mouse. It was so cute. She was like wanting to be with Minnie Mouse and having Minnie Mouse come over to the table the entire dinner, and then Minnie Mouse finally came over to the table and she just went blank. Like, she didn't know what to say. She wasn't responding, talking, or anything. She was so in shock and so like shy and like excited, but just like, it was so cute. So yeah, so it was really adorable, but she had a blast there. Then we went back to Disneyland and we went on Rise of the Resistance again, because when they walked us on, they weren't able to scan our tickets before that. So we actually made it in time before they shut it down, because they close it at 9 because it needs 12 hours of maintenance before the next day. So they close it early. So we were able to use the fast passes I purchased earlier in the day and go on it again. And then we did Smugglers because I got that fast pass. Then we did Haunted Mansion. Then we saw the show, which was like just okay. It wasn't the best. I wish we would have just done like more rides during that time rather than like trying to get over to the show. Yeah, I mean, all in all, it was great. It was just really packed. They hiked up prices so high. When we went with Nanny Tanya and Kinsley, they actually had our like Genie Plus passes only $15 for the day because we're a Magic Key holder, and then Tanya's was 20 because she's not, it was regular. And then so this time it was 20 for me and Rye, and then it was 25 for Ross because I had to get him his own ticket. And so that was just for Genie Plus. Then for Rise of the Resistance, that alone was $25. Yeah, because that was $75 just to ride that ride. It was astronomically high. Like everything was over. It was just insane. Like they really price gouged that whole day. What made it up was the fact that we had that hiccup and we got like a lot more fast passes, because also when I usually get in the park, I can usually get a fast pass right away for something. I couldn't even get a fast pass for something until like 11. So it was packed. They said there's really no down day anymore. It's really changed. I think it's the holiday season, so it's pretty crazy. I usually choose Wednesdays because it's usually harder for people to go, but I guess it's not hard for people to go anymore. It was just crazy, but it ended up working out just great. We handled it great. Like Ryleigh is amazing at Disneyland. She doesn't complain about lines or anything like that. She handles everything like a champ. She rides everything. So we just had an awesome time, and she makes it so much fun, and I'm so glad she had a great birthday. So I just want to close out this vlog, kind of recap the day, talk about it. We had a blast. It was so great to have Ross with us. And then Saturday, which is tomorrow, because I'm closing this out on Friday right now. You guys are going to see this on Tuesday, but tomorrow we have a joint birthday party with her cousin Bryson, who is turning 2. Their birthdays are like literally right next to each other, so we decided to just do a little joint birthday party at Chuck E. Cheese just for the families. And then I think we have one friend coming to that. Next year I'll actually do a regular birthday party for Ryleigh. I just thought I could do the Disneyland one more year. I was like, I want to get away with it. So we got that. So she's had a really fun birthday week, and she's just having a blast. I'm already trying to think of ideas what to do with Kinsley for hers in March, but it was great, and we just had an amazing day. I loved it, and yeah. So I hope you guys enjoy the vlog too. Oh, we got to meet a subscriber at Haunted Mansion, Julie. She was the sweetest. She saw us like right as we were getting on. She asked, she's like, are you on YouTube? I'm like, yeah. And yeah, so she was really great. So Julie, if you're watching this, it was so nice to meet you. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and let me know in the comments down below what other videos you guys are liking to see for like Tuesday videos, because that's like my more variety of content. And then Saturday, I will see you guys for the PR unboxing. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.